The Old Souk tells stories of the past through its narrow alleys and timeless architecture. Though rooted in tradition, it has evolved with the present. Today, among the antique shops and historic walls, you'll find many traditional restaurants reimagined with a modern touch, where classic flavors meet contemporary style and heritage lives on in every bite. Khorfakkan Old Souk stands as a living witness to the city's rich past. Long before modern development, this market was a vital center of trade, serving fishermen, sailors, and merchants drawn to Khorfakkan's strategic coastal location. Built from simple materials, it was more than a place of commerce. It was the heart of daily life, where people gathered, exchanged goods, and shared stories. Today, carefully restored, the Old Souk preserves its traditional spirit while welcoming new generations, connecting Khorfakkan's heritage with the present. Originally made up of modest shops with palm frond roofs and mud walls, the souk grew alongside the city's development and was a center for everyday commerce, offering everything from spices and fabrics to everyday goods and tools. It was a social gathering place where people met, traded, and shared stories, a heartbeat of community life. Today, it preserves the region's heritage through its artisan shops, displays of traditional crafts, and a market museum, inviting visitors to step back in time and connect with the past. If you ever decide to visit this place, I suggest coming just before the sun sets. As evening approaches, the shops around the area begin to open, setting out tables and chairs for their guests. One by one, the streetlights come alive, transforming the surroundings into a warm and inviting place perfect for a leisurely stroll and exploration. Entrance to this museum is completely free, with no admission fee. Visitors are also allowed to film freely, even using a handheld camera, unlike other places where security may immediately stop you for using a mini tripod or a camera. Without recognizing whether you're a professional, a vlogger, or part of the media, here you can film without hassle. In some locations, you even end up explaining that your camera is less expensive than a high-end mobile phone. Sometimes, you can't really blame the establishment owners. After all, some people hire professional cameramen and use the place as a venue for wedding pictorials or even marriage proposals. It may sound amusing, but that is the reality. Others even use it as a way to make money, treating the location as a backdrop for their own product advertisements. That's wrong, isn't it? Okay then, let's leave it at that for now. I hope you won't get tired of watching my pointless content. Thank you so much, my friends.